Good evening. Now I'm going to take a lecture on hydropower plant. Uh, what is hydropower plant? Hydropower plant or hydroelectric power plant is used to convert the kinetic energy of water into electrical energy. The kinetic energy is developed in the water flow due to the gravity of the falling water from the higher to lower end. The kinetic energy was used to rotate the turbine, and the turbine is connected to the generator which produces the electric energy. A hydroelectric power plant is a non-conventional power plant. It is widely used for generating electricity from the renewable source of energy. To achieve kinetic energy from the water, the reservoir dam is constructed at a high height from the ground level. The initial cost is very low, but the running cost initial cost is very high, but the running cost is very low. The components of the hydropower plant were four-bay instate structure, penstock, surge tank, turbines, powerhouse, draft tube, and tailgates. This is a schematic layout of the hydropower plant. In which the water is made to fall from the higher to lower. In the lower end, the turbine blades were placed. The turbine was connected to the generator, which produced the electricity, and then was transferred to the powerhouse. Next, we will see the parts of the detail see about the parts of the hydropower plant. Was 4bay. 4bay is used to store water temporarily before passes to the insect structure. The reservoir is used to store water across the river. In hydropower plant, the reservoir begins as a 4bay. The amount of water stored in the 4bay is decided based on the demand of required water and load in that area. Uh, the next intake structure. The intake structure is a chain between the pin 4bay and passes to the penstock. It plays an important role in the power plant. The water comes in the reservoir or 4bay from the river. Therefore, water contains much trash like trees and debris. The intake structure contains trash racks and placed trash racks at the entrance of the penstock. The penstock is used to increase the velocity of the water. It is large pipes laid on the slope. It carries the water from the reservoir or intake structure to the turbine. The penstock are open and closed with the gate. So at the time of the opening and closing of the gates, the pressure of water is very high. Therefore, the penstock are designed to sustain the hammer of water. Um, short length penstock has heavy wall, and long length penstock has such tank used to overcome the pressure of water. Surge tank is a cylindrical tank or sand pad placed near the powerhouse that is connected with the penstock. The surge tank is also known as a surge chamber. It is used to control the pressure of the water in the penstock. Turbine. The turbine is the important component in the power plant, which converts the kinetic energy of the water into mechanical energy. When the high pressure water coming from the penstock strikes the turbine blade, the turbine starts rotating. A shaft is placed at the center of the turbine. The generator is also connected to the same shaft, and it further converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. There are uh, there are there are mainly two types of turbine: impulse turbine and the reaction turbine. The impulse turbine is also known as the velocity turbine, and the reaction turbine is also known as the pressure turbine. Power hose is used to provide the support and housing to the hydraulic and electrical equipment. It is divided into two parts: substructure and the superstructure. The substructure can be an integral part of the hydraulic system, and it can be placed away from the hydraulic system. It is used to provide supports to the equipment and provide necessary waste to the water. The superstructure contains the main unit and electrical accessories. The generator are placed on the ground floor with the turbine. Generally, for the better visibility, the control room is placed on the first or second floor. Draft tube connects the turbine outlet to the tail race to decrease the velocity of the water. The width of the draft tube is gradually increased. The gates are provided at the end of the draft tube, which is closed at the time of the maintenance. In case of reaction turbine, the draft tube is necessary component. Tail race is a flow of water from the draft tube or turbine outlet. The power hose must be located near to the stream. The power hose placed far from the stream, it is compulsory to build a way or channel to flow the water into the stream. It will decrease the efficiency, cavitation, and damage the turbine by slitting caused unnecessary flow of the water. Therefore, while designing the hydroplant, place the power hose near the system, near the stream. Thank you.